One-time secular India seeks religious proofs for citizenship. New Delhi, January 28, KMS. In total deviation from the constitution of the country, the Narendra Modi-led Indian government has made it binding for its citizens to provide proofs of their religious beliefs while applying for citizenship under the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAA). A government official in a statement in New Delhi while excluding Muslims said that besides non-Muslim refugees from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, the applicants belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Christian, Buddhist, Jain or Parsi faiths will also have to furnish documents to prove that they entered India on or before December 31, 2014. Those who will seek Indian citizenship under the CAA will have to provide proofs of their religious beliefs, and this will be mentioned in the rules to be issued under the CAA. It is worth mentioning here that it is forbidden under the Indian constitution to make legislations on the basis of religious beliefs. Indian politicians like Yashwant Sinha and Shashi Tharoor have warned that Indian constitution and democracy are in danger as attempts are being made to divide the country on religious lines.